I'm Maxwell and I'm back here to talk about my research stay in Ingolstadt. Since March, I am studying at THI and finishing my master thesis about reinforcement learning to autonomous emergency braking. The program has started in Brazil, at Federal University of Santa Catarina, where I proudly come from. And our center, with the program Engineers Go Global, brought me to the Technische Hochschule Ingolstadt to research and develop something in the automotive engineering fields of research. The experience also allowed me to count on two advisors, Professor and Dr. Thiago Antonio Fiorentin and Professor Dr. Professor Göllinger. In Ingolstadt, I spend most of my time working in the laboratory of mechatronics. We have some software here and also interesting hardware to apply the techniques as the electric carts and the brand new driving simulator. My thesis is an approach of reinforcement learning for road safety. Basically, the autonomous emergency braking is a system that increases the driver's capability to avoid or mitigate collisions in hazard situations, such as sudden braking or pedestrian unexpected interaction. It uses a combination of sensors data to describe the environment, to calculate the distances, velocities, and take the decision of braking or not. If the car enters in a path of collision with another object, it knows the time until collision. After some warning, if the driver does not take any action, it takes control of the car and brakes it. The new approach here is that we didn't create a purely A/B algorithm. We combined a reinforcement learning method with a neural network, and by itself, it learned the car's behavior and how to avoid these collisions. Reinforcement learning is inside of machine learning and artificial intelligence fields. It learns how to answer for systems based on rewards or punishments it receives after taking some actions. If combined with a neural network, it can solve complex systems, adapting its nodes interaction to deliver the recommended or best rewarded actions. Virtually, we submitted the system to some of the Euro NCAP testing scenarios. The good news is that the system learned how to control the car and had avoided or mitigated the collisions in different velocities, the same as the A/B softwares available in the market.
Hello everybody, my name is Professor Göllinger and I welcome you in my totally unclaimed mechatronics lab. This year I'm very happy to receive Maxwell to do his master thesis. This thesis is about neural networks and reinforcement learning. We use neural networks here as a clever replacement for conventional controllers to create an automatic emergency brake system. It's a very promising feasibility study that can be used for a lot of applications. I want to say thank you to the AWARES and GLOBE program, to Professor Thiago, many greetings, and everybody in John Willy who made Maxwell's stay here in Ingolstadt possible. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.
Olá, meu nome é Thiago Antônio Fiorentin. Sou professor da Universidade Federal de Santa Catarina, do Centro Tecnológico de Joinville. Atuo principalmente junto ao curso de graduação em Engenharia Automotiva e ao programa de pós-graduação em Engenharia e Ciências Mecânicas. A UFSC tem uma parceria com a THI. Eu tenho trabalhado bastante com o professor Harald. Nos últimos anos, vários alunos realizaram parte do seu mestrado na Alemanha. Atualmente, o aluno Cleverson está realizando parte do seu mestrado lá, desenvolvendo um sistema de emergência para frenagem. É importante destacar nesse projeto a atuação de outras pessoas, como a Anne Sophie e o professor Maurício da UFSC. Muito obrigado pela atenção.
The thesis is under final adjustments and as soon as possible it will be presented in Brazil. At the moment, I'm also developing driving functions inside of Charisma Research Center, part of THI. I acknowledge AWARE, UFSC and THI for this amazing experience. Every new challenge is welcome.